Hey everyone, this is Life Hype's Welcome to Fitness. I'm Andrew, the kinesiologist. So, you're looking to get fit or get healthy, but you don't know where to start. Good news is, we're here to help. The two biggest reasons people give for not exercising are no time and no motivation. Let's tackle the first one, no time. Your fitness and your health aren't tied to your access to a facility or to your schedule. Fitness and health are intertwined with everything that you do. Your quality of life is impacted by your health and your level of fitness. The prevalence of at-home workout videos, indoor cycling trainers, or YouTube channels like us show the accessibility of exercise anywhere you are. Aside from structured exercises or fitness programs, it's pretty simple to interject exercise and fitness into your everyday life. A little extra walking here, park further away, take a minute to stand up and stretch once an hour if you have a heavy sitting job. The point is that fitness isn't just a set of activities to do, it should be a part of a well-balanced lifestyle. So now you've hopefully found the time to do some exercise, but now you just can't find that driving force to really push you the extra mile. On to the second point, motivation. I can't tell you specifically what will motivate you, only you really know that. People's motivations are unique and personal to them. What I can do is help guide you along in building some motivation with some tools. The first tool in growing motivation is goal setting. This may seem pretty simple and straightforward, but when it's applied, it has tremendous positive outcomes. To begin with, have a main goal in mind. Could be health related, hobby related, pretty much anything, as long as it's something that you know you want. You have it? Good. Now break it down into small achievable steps. And when you have those achievable steps, kind of examine those and figure out what's really needed to achieve those. What do you need to do physically, mentally? How much time are you going to need? Do you need to do anything else to prepare? Whatever you need to fully understand that achievable step. What results from this is a personalized to-do list. It's unique to you, it's something you want, and the only rules surrounding it are the ones that you set for yourself. This is how you build motivation for pretty much anything. So, how does exercise play into this? Well, your goals don't actually need to be physical in nature for your health and fitness to play a role in it. Fitness is who we are. We are physical beings, and movement is how we access the world around us. What I really want to tell you is just that fitness doesn't have to be exercise. It can be unique to everyone, but not exclusive to anyone. Thank you everyone for watching this Life Hype video. We have articles and more content like this available on this channel and our website, and much more of it to come. If you want to see anything in particular, you have any questions, leave a comment and we'll get right on it. And also, if you're interested in starting to work out, we have some programs and workouts available on our Patreon page, and we do 3 of those a week. Other than that, that's all I've got for now. So